If you're looking at engineering admissions for 2026, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at Hindusthan College of Engineering and Technology in Coimbatore, TNEA Code 2708. We're going to dive into the official data to see what this college is all about.
I want to kick things off with just a number, 13. Now that might sound a bit random, but trust me, for this college, it's a number that says a lot about its quality. So what's the deal with 13? Well, that number, 13, is the number of undergraduate engineering programs here that have earned the stamp of approval from the National Board of Accreditation, or the NBA. For parents, especially, this is huge. It's a sign that these programs meet some really tough national quality standards. We'll get to which ones in just a bit. To give you the full picture, here's how we're going to break it down. We'll start with the college's identity, look at its history and official recognitions, then we'll check out the engineering programs you can choose from, cover placements and support, and finally, we'll wrap up with the key highlights. All right, let's jump right in with the absolute basics. What kind of college are we talking about here? So here's what you need to know. HiCET is a self-financing autonomous college. Now, that word autonomous is really important. It means the college has the freedom to design its own curriculum and set its own exam schedules, all while being affiliated with Anna University. It's been around since 2000 and follows the standard TNA admission process, 65% of seats through the government quota and 35% through the management quota. Okay, now for the part that really builds confidence. Let's look at the college's foundation and its official recognitions. These are the credentials that tell you you're looking at a well-established institution. The college's journey began back in the year 2000, founded by the Hindusthan Educational and Research Foundation. A really big step for them was when they earned autonomous status from Anna University. That moment was a game changer, really, and today they've grown to offer a whole range of 17 undergraduate engineering programs. This is a basic check you have to do for any engineering college. And yes, HiCET has the mandatory approval from the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE, for the upcoming 2025-26 academic year. So, tick that box. And here's another strong seal of approval. The college is accredited by NAC with a grade A. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council looks at the entire institution, so an A grade is a very positive signal about their overall quality. And this brings us right back to our magic number 13. Look at the range here. It's not just one or two departments. You've got core branches like mechanical and computer science, and specialized fields like aeronautical and mechatronics, all with that NBA stamp. Having this many accredited programs is a serious strength. And if you notice, the chemical engineering program's accreditation is valid all the way until June 2028. Okay, so let's shift gears and talk about you. What can you actually choose to study here? Let's look at your options for 2026. So while 13 programs have that extra layer of NBA accreditation, the college actually offers a total of 17 different BE and B.Tech degrees. That's a pretty wide variety of specializations to pick from. Now, here's the full list. Of course, you have the big ones with high intake like CSE and mechanical, but what's really interesting is the focus on new age fields. You'll see options like AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, and even computer science and business systems. Having these branch codes and intake numbers right here is going to be super helpful when you're gearing up for TNEA counseling. Now, let's get to the question that's on every parent's mind. What about a job at the end of it all? Let's talk about placements and the kind of support you'll find on campus. 81%. So you see this number, 81%, and you might wonder, where did it come from? Well, this isn't just a marketing number. This is the placement rate that the college itself officially reported in the TNEA 2025 data booklet. That's why using official sources is so important. It gives you a clear, reliable picture. Thinking of staying on campus? You'll be glad to know the college provides separate hostels for both boys and girls. And a plus point, the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. So where is it exactly? The campus is located at Othakalam Mandapam on the way to Palachi. They have their own college bus facility, which is great. And if you're traveling by train, Coimbatore Junction is the closest major station, about 12 kilometers away. Now let's talk about finances. For students who are eligible, the college facilitates a number of government scholarships. This includes scholarships for specific communities, the well-known First Graduate Scholarship, and also schemes for minority students. All right, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's bring it all together. What are the most important things to remember about HiCET when you're making your decision? Here are the 4 big takeaways. First, it's an autonomous college, which means more academic flexibility. Second, it has that solid NAAC A grade. Third, and this is a major one, it has 13 NBA-accredited engineering programs. And fourth, it has a clear focus on innovation, with patents approved under the government's Capular program.
Just so you know, all the details we've shared today are based on official information from the college and government websites, checked in April 2026. Of course, it's always smart to check for the very latest updates as you get closer to admission time.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.